Hello and welcome to Muddy River Mixology Monday. Today is our first installment of Cooking with Rum.
Cooking with Rum.
With Carolina Rum.
Sounds like a plan to me.
Yeah, we got Tom here, longtime co-worker, friend, rum drinker, and I'm Robbie.
Alcoholic. No.
Yeah. Today, we've got a special one for you. It's Tom's special bacon. You got a name for this bacon?
I really haven't come up with a name, just, bacon crack is what people have been calling it.
It's done.
Once you start, you're just not going to give up on it.
Yeah, this stuff is really good. So for this recipe, you're gonna need the following things. You're gonna need something to cook on, and you're gonna need bacon. We're using thick cut bacon, the thicker the better. You're gonna definitely need our spiced Carolina rum. This stuff is our best seller, flies off the shelf. It is the best spiced rum you can get your hands on. And you're gonna need brown sugar. That covers it, right?
That's about it, and the pepper. And I'm gonna give you my little pepper mill here, and if you could pepper that bacon as much as you'd like.
So step one, pepper the bacon.
Yeah.
I like a lot of pepper.
You and me both.
Good.
A little spice in your life never hurt. That looks good, Rob. Let's take some of that bacon and let's get that cooking.
All right.
Now what you need to do is you need to take a cup of the spiced rum and a half a cup of brown sugar. And then you put that on the stove, let the sugar melt, and then you're good. And what we're gonna do, as Robbie puts that on there, we're gonna take that spiced rum and brown sugar mixture, and we're going to baste this bacon as it cooks. So we'll just take some of that, and we just be liberal with it. Don't, you can buy more rum, it's good. Now, what we would usually do is put this in the oven and put it in the oven low on a rack. Good rum.
Temperature and time?
Temperature and time, I would start probably at 275, 280, and then just keep an eye on it. And you'll see as it starts to brown up, when you're ready to stop and take it out. But it's gonna be nice and crisp. You could use it to stir your Bloody Marys.
Oh, yes.
There you go, see?
All right, folks, well, we're gonna let this cook and then we'll get back with you for the taste test.
Sounds like a plan.
And we're back. So, Tom?
Yes, sir.
Looks pretty good in here.
Yeah, we'll give one more little baste here as we're going along. The first ones are out and sitting in front of there, Rob. I think we're ready to take these off and we can do a little taste test.
One for you, bud.
Oh, thank you, sir.
One for me.
Sounds good. Want to have a little, yeah, man, go for it. Get yourself a good piece there. All right.
All good pieces.
This is true. All right, well,
All right.
bottoms
Cheers,
up.
brother.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna chase it.
Don't chase it too far.
You can really get the bacon in the spice rum, in the brown sugar, in the demerara sugar. Yeah, it's phenomenal. That's a good point. Well, folks, thank you for watching our first installment of Cooking with Rum using our Muddy River Spiced Carolina Rum. Hope you enjoyed this. The description below will have the recipe and links to our website and social media. You can find our rum in your local liquor store and come out here and make it. Cheers.
We'll be looking for it. Dusty.
What is the saying? Unique New York. Did it first time. Well, now you gotta say it all. Unique New York.
Sea sells,
Nope.
She sells by the seashore.
I've been down that road before. Man, I wish we had this thing yesterday.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Hi, how are you? Good morning. It's lovely being here. Oh, yes. Well, whenever you're ready there, young Rob.
Ready when they'll shut the up over there.
Hey, shut up! We're filming.
Just say it again. Take a minute. No.